Nah, I need improvement. I need ice. I want to smoke. No weed. No weed. Nothing.
Jesus is Lord.
Oh, nothing. Let me sleep now. Let me sleep. I'll do myself. Are you seeing me, young man? Are you seeing me? I can see you.
Away.
I am here for you. The message is stop smoking weed. Stop smoking ice. If not, smoking ice. Stop smoking weed. If not, you will run mad. If not, you will run mad. If not, you will run mad. So, this is how Emeka is mad. So because of Umburumri, because of ice, Emeka is mad. Son, I will not smoke ice again. I will not smoke weed again. In fact, as from today, I'll serve God. As from today, I'll serve God.